Okay, here we go. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople Tips. Today we got some decking. We're going to be cleaning this decking and give that lot a blast as well. So, as you can see, it is pretty in a pretty bad way. So we're going to move all our stuff out of the way. I'm not going to ramble on about nothing. You came here to see decking clean. We're going to get to it as quick as possible. But I just want to introduce you to my cat. There's a cat. Right, and we're going to get rid of all this lot off of here so we can start our cleaning. Right, now let me do that and get back to you. I'm trying to make this thing fast. Don't want to waste your time. Okay, we're getting ready to do the cleaning. Like I said, this is what we're going to be using. We're going to be using this little Karcher pressure cleaner, and we bought the brush to go on the base of it just there. So we're going to unbox this and show you all that's in it. And this is the cleaning solution that goes with it, and this little gun goes with it. So we're going to get back to this, but before we get to there, what I want to do is come around here, and if you look, say, we're going to sweep off the deck here. Okay, I want to tell you a little thing. These pipes, right, they just press on. This is a one-way valve. If you're not sure which way it goes, whether it flows that way, it won't flow that way, back that way. What do? Connect one on, turn your tap on. Water comes out, it's the right way. Water doesn't come out, it's the wrong way. On this one, it's kind of obvious. The red one goes to there. When we first got the hose, we could not find this pipe. And we're thinking, da 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 da. So we went and we bought two ends. And what you get your hose at the end of your hose, not in the middle. At the end, you cut off a length of it. Right? Let me just show you how this fits on while I'm here. Unscrew that. That pulls out. Yeah? So you cut off an end of your hose, however long you like. Then you put this end on there first. This end goes within there. So you put that on. Make sure you get it in. And then twist it far as it'll go. Then you get your end up. As you tighten this, what it does, it squeezes this in to hold the pipe. So if I give you a demonstration, tight, you can see that's not coming apart. Basically that's how it works. Now this end plugs onto there, and this end plugs onto there, and that's it. If I get my pipe, I'll just show you here. I'll turn my water on. There you go, we have water. It may be doing all that rubbish because the hose is wrapped up. But anyway, we're going to resolve that. Once it starts to flow, yeah, because the hose is wrapped up, it's kind of like squashed it a little bit. So as it, see? Freeing, a lot of flow, better flow. Okay, so if we come over here now, to our gadget. Remember when you're doing all this lot? Electricity. Yeah? Electricity and water. Hello? Don't go together. Yeah? So keep them separate. Anyway, here's our little gadget. And in the back of here, we plug that one on. Okay, that's nice. You're good to go. So if we put that there, our switch is here. Plug it in. Right, go on then. There you go. Plug this in. That already comes on. And twist. That comes out. Line it up. Press in. Twist. Now you could use this for your cleaning solution or leave it as it is. This now, if you switch on, press that in. Voila. Remember, do your check. Just put this over there for a minute. We'll put our trigger on here. This, press in, turn around, lock. Now we're good to go. Anyway, let's move forward. We're going to come down here and we're going to work. Just take your time, don't rush it. Stop robbing each other later.